Assalamu alaikum everyone. Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. As you can see, in the previous lesson we have studied the first category of the word, which is noun. In the noun, we went through the state of noun, which is divided into two sections, definite and indefinite. Today, with the gender of the noun, there are two types of genders in Arabic: masculine, مذكر, and feminine, مؤنث. Males, some animals, and some objects are masculine. Females, some animals, and some objects are feminine. But how would we know the difference between masculine and feminine? Any word in Arabic should be assumed as masculine, unless they belong to one of the following categories. First, real feminine. In Arabic, المؤنث الحقيقي, real feminine. Second, conventional feminine, المؤنث الحكمي, conventional feminine. First, the real feminine. The real feminine is any female, human being or animal that has their male opposite. Same as in the word bint, means girl. The opposite is walad, means boy. But some words have no male opposites, and they are classified as feminine, such as the word حامل. حامل means pregnant. It's a feminine word. Second, the conventional feminine, المؤنث الحكمي. They are nouns but not real feminine and have the following rules. Number one, nouns ending with تاء مربوطة. It's a closed or round تاء, which is considered a basic feminine sign, such as the word مدرسة, means school. Sometimes adding تاء مربوطة to a masculine noun or adjective to make it feminine, such as معلم. معلم means teacher, is a masculine noun. معلمة, معلمة, teacher, but feminine noun. But there are exception words ending by تاء مربوطة and they are masculine, such as خليفة. خليفة means Islamic ruler. معاوية, it's an Arabic masculine name. Number two, the second rule of conventional nouns is nouns ending with shortened alif. In Arabic is alif مقصورة. It's another form of alif and used when alif cannot occur at the end of a word. It makes the same sound of alif, such as the words ليلى, كبرى, صغرى, and so on. Third rule is nouns ending with elongated alif. In Arabic, alif mamduda. It's a long vowel alif that extends the short vowel fatha to reach double time sound. It's divided into two types, short and long alif, such as sahra, hasna, and in the advanced levels we'll go in detail explanation for alif maqsura and alif mamduda, inshallah. The previous three conventional feminine noun rules, تاء مربوطة, shortened alif, and elongated alif, are logical feminine. In Arabic, مؤنث قياسي, because they follow specific rules. But there are some feminine nouns that don't follow any rules. We call it common feminine, or in Arabic, مؤنث سماعي, such as number 1, names of places, مصر, Egypt, سوريا, Syria, feminine nouns. Number 2, parts of body that are in pairs, such as يد, 2 hands, eye, 2 eyes, feminine. Number 3, female names with no feminine sign, such as Zainab, Maryam, and so on. Number 4, the letters of alphabet are generally used as feminine, but can be masculine as well, such as تاء مربوطة. We didn't say تاء مربوط because تاء is a letter and generally considered as feminine. Number 5, some collective nouns, in Arabic الأسماء الجماعية, such as قوم. قوم means people. It can be both feminine and masculine. The broken plural, in Arabic جمع التكسير, such as in the word نصارى means Christians. It can be both masculine and feminine. But Arabs are considering some words as feminine nouns without any rules, such as نفس, نفس, soul, ريح, ريح, wind, شمس, شمس, sun. Finally, there are 3 things affected with the gender of the noun. Number 1, words used before nouns. Number 2, words used after nouns. Number 3, words used instead of nouns. Let's start with the words used before the noun and determined by the gender of the noun. We call it demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, أسماء الإشارة, same as this, that, these, and so on. So the feminine noun is used with feminine demonstrative pronoun, and masculine noun is used with masculine demonstrative pronoun. Example, the word this in English means هذا in Arabic, هذا masculine, and هذه, هذه feminine. Let's take an example. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا كتاب. Masculine demonstrative pronoun is used before masculine noun. هذه مدرسة. هذه مدرسة. Feminine demonstrative pronoun is used before feminine noun with تاء مربوطة. The demonstrative pronouns will be explained in details, inshallah, in coming levels. Second, words used after the nouns. We call them adjectives that comes to describe the noun. In Arabic, adjectives means صفات. In Arabic, adjectives come after the noun, not before as in English. In most cases, adjectives should match the gender of the noun, whether feminine or masculine. Example, ولد صغير. ولد means boy. صغير means young. بنت صغيرة. بنت means girl. صغيرة means young. Notice adding تاء مربوطة to the word صغير to identify the feminine noun, which is bint or girl. So we change it from صغير to be صغيرة because the word bint or girl. Third, words used instead of nouns. They are the pronouns, such as he, she, you, and so on. We call them in Arabic الضمائر. For example, masculine noun in English is he, in Arabic هو. Feminine noun in English is she, in Arabic هي. Example, this is a man, he is handsome. هذا رجل, هو أنيق. Notice a man with he in Arabic, masculine noun رجل replaced by the pronoun هو. Another example, this is a girl, she is smart. هذه بنت, هي ذكية. Notice a girl with she. In Arabic, feminine noun بنت replaced by the pronoun هي. These pronouns are used instead of nouns to identify the gender, whether feminine or masculine. And inshallah, a detailed lesson about pronouns will be ready for you soon. In the next lesson, inshallah, we'll explain the number of the noun. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.